Hello everyone and welcome to GoFormative Help number 17. This is about prime and composite numbers. This GoFormative actually sets it up nicely. There's lots of reading where you can learn this stuff on your own. As far as an explanation for me, the whole point of this is to figure out the difference between a prime number and a composite number. A prime number can be divided by only one and only itself. For example, 7. What times what is 7? There's only one option, 1 times 7. And because there's only one option, 7 is prime. Take a number like 4. There's not one option. It is 1 times 4, but isn't there another option? How else can I get 4? 2 times 2. And because there's more than one option, that's composite. So keep that in mind. The difference between prime and composite is if you can it only has one set of factors. This only has one set of factors, so it's prime. This has more than one. This has more than one set of factors, so it's composite. That is it. That is the big question mark of what prime versus composite is. And again, this will tell you. And this first one here, this number 6, is it's a trick because 0 is not prime nor is it composite. So that's why 0 is false on that one, because it's not. But and same thing, the other trick is here. 1 is not composite. Those are the only 2 tricks. I think the rest is pretty self-explanatory. And then this is obviously sets up the correct answer. So that's what the prime and composite are. I like this one a lot because you have to just put a P for prime or a C for composite. And it already blocks out 0 and 1 there, so it already tells you that you can't do that. But you can go through and see. 2 is fun because 2 is only formed by 1 and 2. Therefore, 2 is prime. So that is like a rare thing because most even numbers, almost all even numbers, are always composite, except for 2. So that's something to think about. 2 is a trick. It is prime. 2 is prime. So keep that in mind. 2 is prime. Let's see. Factors. Factors are what make up a number, a product. Factors are numbers that you can multiply together. And for example, the product of 3 and 8 is 24, so 3 and 8 equals 24. Another example, the product of 2 and 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So when I say what's the product of something, I'm saying multiplication. Product is multiplication. So what's the product of 2 and 3? 6. Why? Because 2 times 3 is 6. What's the product of 2 and 5? 10. Why? Because 2 times 5 is 10. So that is what product means. And factors, the factors of numbers are multiplying those products. Okay? That is your video number 17. Thank you.